In a major stride towards upgrading healthcare services in Tripura, the state's health department today signed a Memorandum of Understanding with the All India Institute of Medical Sciences, New Delhi, in the presence of Chief Minister Dr. Manik Saha at Tripura Bhawan. The pact's primary goal is to significantly enhance the quality of medical services available in Tripura. A key vision of the state government is to develop the Agartala Government Medical College and GB Pan Hospital into a comprehensive medical hub offering advanced treatment and education. The signing ceremony saw the participation of Chief Minister Dr. Manik Saha, who also holds the health portfolio, along with the Medical Superintendent of GB Hospital and the Director of AIIMS, New Delhi, Dr. M. Srinivas, among other senior officials. AIIMS, globally renowned for its pioneering role in medical education, research and advanced patient care, will now collaborate with the state to elevate its healthcare standards. The collaboration under the MoU is expected to bring a substantial improvement in the overall quality and reach of healthcare services throughout Tripura, ultimately benefiting the state citizens by providing access to world-class medical expertise and facilities. Reported by Prana from Agartala, Chini, Khorang.